Welcome back to Oddly Useless. Today we're tackling a question that sounds like it's straight out of a disaster movie, but the science behind it is absolutely terrifying. What would happen if the Earth stopped spinning for just 1 second? First, let's get a sense of speed. Right now, our planet is spinning at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's over 1,000 miles per hour. And everything on the surface, including you, me, the oceans, and even the air, is moving along with it. Now imagine the planet suddenly slams on the brakes. The solid ground beneath your feet would halt, but everything else wouldn't. The law of inertia dictates that everything not nailed down would continue moving, at over 1,000 miles per hour. Let's start with the atmosphere. According to NASA's models, the air would keep racing at its original speed. This would create global winds so powerful they would instantly flatten every single building, rip every tree from the ground, and scour the entire surface of the planet clean. It would be like being hit by a shockwave that circles the globe. But it gets worse. The oceans wouldn't stop either. All that water would surge forward in a single, colossal global tsunami. We're talking about a wall of water, hundreds, maybe even thousands of meters high, sweeping across entire continents in a matter of minutes. The US Geological Survey confirms that nothing could withstand such a force. Even the very shape of our planet would change. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator because of its spin. If that spin stopped, gravity would take over and pull the planet back into a more perfect sphere. The equatorial bulge would collapse, causing the oceans to rush towards the poles. This would flood vast coastal regions, while turning equatorial areas into newly emerged landmasses. And what if the stop was permanent? The day-night cycle as we know it would be gone. One side of Earth would face the sun for 6 months straight, baking under unbearable heat, while the other side would be plunged into a 6-month-long frozen night. Finally, our planet's magnetic field, which protects us from deadly cosmic radiation, would begin to weaken. It's generated by the motion of Earth's molten core, which is tied to our rotation. Without it, we'd be exposed to dangerous levels of solar radiation. Fortunately, this scenario is physically impossible. But thinking about it really highlights a crucial point. Earth's rotation isn't just some random motion. It's a fundamental part of our planet's life support system, responsible for our climate, our oceans, and our protection from space. If you found this thought experiment as mind-bending as I did, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time on Oddly Useless.